Now that we have a NoodleTools project created, let's walk through the process of adding a citation and an annotation. For this example, we'll be using this magazine article that was found in a library database. To begin adding a citation, click the New Source button. Next, choose the option that best fits the item that you're trying to cite. In this case, we have a magazine article from a database. So I can choose Database and then Magazine. And NoodleTools at this point will prompt you for information about the source that you have. So let's go back to my source. And looking at the article here, I can see I have a title, I can see the authors at the very top, and if I scroll down, typically I can see the source where this article was published. So this was published in the Natural History magazine, and it was May 2018. If you're ever in a library database and you're trying to find information about an article, you can always go over here to the detailed record link, and this will give you typically all the citation information that you need. And just scrolling down here, so we can see the title, we see our authors listed here, the source where the article was published, the date, volume, issue, page numbers, and publication year, and we also have the database, Academic OneFile. So if we go to NoodleTools, we can start inputting this information. And the first thing NoodleTools asks for is the name of the database that the article came from, right here. So I can either start typing it in or choose from the drop-down menu over here, and it's the first one on the list. Next, I need to insert a URL. Again, this is according to MLA style, so we'll navigate back to our article. To find the URL within an EBSco database or our onesearch system here, you can scroll over to the right and look for the permalink. Clicking that will display the URL that you can use right in this box at the top. So you can select that, copy it, and we'll paste it in. And next, the most recent date of access, that was today. And scrolling down, so we need to input the authors. And in this case, if we have multiple authors, I can choose Add Another Contributor, and I can add the other authors. And you'll notice that if NoodleTools finds anything that looks like an issue, it will give you this little triangle as an indicator. So NoodleTools is suggesting that this may need to be capitalized. There we go. So my authors are set. Next up, we need the article title. In this case, it is Earless Frogs in the Andes. Paste it over here. The page numbers. So this started on page 12, and we can look at the article again and just to be sure. So 12, 13, 14, 15. Next up, we need the name of the magazine. Go back to the detailed record for that. In this case, this came from Natural History magazine. Volume and issue numbers. Volume 126, issue 5. And the publication date, which is May 2018. And before I hit save, I'm going to notice that my article title, NoodleTools is flagging something that seems off here. And in this case, MLA style does like to have all of the words capitalized. There we go. And in this case, I'm going to hit Save and Add Annotation. So adding an annotation will allow you to add a short summary about your article, what was most helpful about it, what you found interesting, and what you found useful. And after you finish your annotation, hit Save and Close. And your citation will appear within NoodleTools. So here it is in your sources list. And if you ever need to go back and edit an article citation, you can choose the options link over here, and you'll see you can either edit it or you can add edit your annotation. So it's entirely reasonable that you can add your citations first to your NoodleTools project, and you can go back and then edit your annotations at a later time. And after you add multiple citations, you have your export options at the very top here. So you can email your information, you can export your works cited to Microsoft Word or to a rich text file or to Google Docs. So you have plenty of options available to you.